everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're headed out to the drag strip. Of course, as you see, I'm in the 500 and we're heading out there. Derek is out there in the Whipple car. Caleb is out there in the Coyote Swap Fox. So we're gonna get some racing done tonight and bring you guys some good footage. Right now, I'm about to head to the gas station, get a little gas, and then head to the track. So we'll see you there. All right, guys, we are out at the track and Derek is here with the 18. So we're gonna see what it does tonight. Caleb is here with the Fox. He is fixing to give his daughter a ride down the track. And I saved you twice. See, guys, I saved Caleb. He only brought, it's in the bag. He brought 2 GoPros, but only 1 SD card. And of course, I always carry extra SD cards.
I normally do. I've got every mount, yeah, the 4. I've got every mount. I've got everything known to man in there. I guess they're still on my desk when I was making my video.
It happens. 593. So Derek, you ready for tonight? Ready to see what's gonna run?
Yeah.
The DA was 2100 before I left the house.
Yeah.
So I haven't checked it recently, but it was around 2100. All right, you wanna come on through? How'd you ride down?
I'll never, ever do that again. It's sketchy roads.
Yeah, you're better than me. I stick to 4 wheels.
Been on the road for about 3 hours.
Woo! Yeah.
Started rolling forward.
Yeah.
I had to get off the freaking gas. I had it set.
Yep.
So I'm hot lapping.
What'd you do?
839.
Huh?
839.
Yeah.
I sat there and rolled forward.
Yeah. You got this, man.
I'm going again.
Caleb, what'd it do?
Hot.
Yeah, what'd it do second time?
Well, curious. We got a 174.60.
We're in 777.
Lost
91 mile an hour.
We lost mile an hour.
So,
but it bogged pretty good. I mean, it hooked and went, but it bogged pretty
down
good.
The road.
Yeah. 91 miles an hour. Lost almost about 2.5 miles an hour.
All right, so Caleb, we don't know what's happened with Caleb's car. It did a burnout and then it shut down on the line. We hear the fuel pump running. We have no fuel pressure at the fuel pressure regulator. So we're hoping it just ran out of fuel and his gas gauge is not reading right. That's the best case scenario right now. We looked at the control pack and like I said, it's lighting up and we can hear the fuel pump running.
So we left, it was showing 1/8 of a tank, and I put about 4.5 gallons in it.
How many passes have you made?
This would have been 3.
3 passes.
That's
a lot of.
There's no way I burned that much. I mean, I guess it's possible, but that's what I did last time, trying to keep the car as light as possible.
See, turn the key on. Let me see if we got fuel pressure. You need a light. No, we still do not have fuel pressure. No, still don't have fuel pressure.
Huh?
You can hear the fuel pump kicking on, but it's nothing.
Well, can you put the clutch all the way down? Let it sit, let it sit.
That pump's running, but that doesn't mean it's pumping volume. don't give it too much. Let me see what we're running at. It's still showing low.
Is it really?
It's still showing like 819.
Yeah, that ain't gonna get me nowhere.
You got this? Oh yeah. You got this?
Alright, this be his first pass on the new tune, so this is what tells the story right here. Got a 15760.
Where's your mile now?
Yeah.
111 mile an hour.
Almost 112, 111.9.
654.
Yeah.
Yeah, your reaction was,
Yeah.
I mean, who gives a shit?
I wasn't really,
Yeah,
I
he
was
went
trying
racing.
to like.
Yeah, he was man.
That was at 1500.
Dude, that thing came out of the hole like a rocket.
It did.
I want you to run it before the night's over.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
break this down suspension-wise. What's
Yeah.
done?
Bone stock.
That's so
Yeah.
there we go. Soon come, BMR.
Yeah, bone stock, full interior. Not even a rear seat delete.
Yeah,
Everything's
that's
still in
true.
there.
So yeah, we're gonna walk.
He ran a 654 and his best pass before the other night was a 7.0. The tune definitely helped him out, so we're gonna see what we can get it down to later on the night. And Philip won't leave me alone. 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 All right, so what are we looking at, Philip?
Looking at my new 408, I guess. 351 stroked overcut 408.
Where's the heads?
Head's in the back of the car. I mean, back of the truck. But it's already got new.
So it's already
bearings.
bored out for a 408.
Yeah.
All right.
It's
So
already
now
got
you gotta get the
APR
internals,
stuff.
get the stroker kit, have your 408. So let's look at the heads.
The heads are in the back. Only thing with the heads, he just stick it on the block just to look at it. But they are Pro Comp heads. I don't know, maybe Pro Comp, but they are Pro Comp.
Okay. Man.
Brand new. It's got the double spring trick flow springs in it.
Okay.
And that's about it. It's got bronze valve guides. It's not bad.
So you can be ready to go.
It's gonna take me a little bit, so
Yep.
it will be turbo, and I'm gonna build it the Philroy edition.
There you go.
Y'all know what that means.
There you go. All right, guys, this is second pass. We are trying to hit 640s. All right, Derek, what happened?
No idea. I did a crappy burnout though.
Yeah.
Traction control, was it off or on?
It was off. Advanced track was off.
Yeah,
Still lost
I
that
don't know what
1500.
happened, like, going down the track.
And then I don't know, like it's almost like the throttle like hung. It's like it went and I just
It's what it sounded like. Something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Because then it dipped down and it seemed like you got back in it.
yeah.
I don't know if that's
And
what
then when
happened.
I got back in it, it just kind of
Yeah, the pass was, it was done at that point.
It was
so.
done.
Did it act like it was running fine when you pulling back up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it did. It happened too fast to even kind of remember all the details.
Yeah, we're gonna have to look at the footage.
But damn it. Oh.
That's okay.
It's all right, man.
I mean, it's not throwing an engine code or anything. So
Yeah, okay.
It's not throwing a wrench. I don't know what happened, honestly. Other than a bad burn, I did a crappy
Did it?
burnout.
It
Burnout
looked like
was
he
something-
spun. It looked like he spun some.
No, I spun way hard off the line. That's
Yeah.
why I let off.
So it could have been something just went. It didn't like and said, "Hey,
Like
you
it
know."
felt like I got a little bit of. I mean, I felt it spun, but it felt like a little bit of wheel hop. I don't know.
All right.
But I don't know.
So we'll let it cool off and we'll get another pass in it. did run my personal best that time, and it is a 727 at 96 mile an hour with a 159 60 foot. So guys, I am extremely stoked. So we're gonna get it past in Derek's car. I'm gonna run it down the track, see what we can get out of it. I can see my 60 foot going down the track. That was a 148 60 foot. This thing is a totally different animal. I know I said that in the last video about this car. This thing is rolling. I am highly interested to see what it ran. I ran a 727 in my car, and I was joking around with Derek. I said I would love to run a 627 in this car. Guys, 633 at 114 mile an hour. Woo! This thing rips. 633. Yeah. All right guys, so here it is. 633 with the 148 60 foot at 114 mile an hour. So there you go guys. All of you that wonder if Daryl could do it, there it is right there. 633 at 114, and we're what, 1400 DA?
Right.
Yeah, 1400 DA. I ran the 727 1400 DA. We ran a 633 in that. We joked around about running a 627 in this, and we almost hit it.
Yes.
We almost hit it. If we would have ran a 627 in this, dude, that would have been like awesome. But we was talking earlier about that's 727, that's 633, so right at a second difference between the two.
Right.
And the feel, massive difference. Derek's gonna let the car cool down because he wants to run it down track and get a 6.4 himself. So I ran it, got a 633 with a 148 60 foot. We're gonna let this cool down a little more. We're gonna get one more pass in the 500, hopefully, for the night's over. And maybe I can get better than 727, but guys, I said it before, I think that is a 720 car, and I think I just did it, and I don't think there's a whole lot of room left in that car. I don't think it's there. So, you know, I'm very happy with it, but because my Roush tune, I know I talked about this before, but my Roush tune 17 6R80 car, the best it ever done with a Roush tune was a 736. So I actually just beat the Roush tune in the 500 with just a pulley. Impressed. I'm impressed.
Yeah, it's been a good night.
It has been a really good night.
Yeah, definitely worth the trip up here.
Oh, definitely.
Next time I'm bringing my car though.
Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah,
Definitely. Got to.
Yeah,
She earned her gas for the night. I was gonna sell her, but she earned her.
I guess I'll keep
She earned her coin for the night.
Yeah.
You're gonna keep it now.
Yeah.
What's Daryl saying?
Nothing yet. He might be asleep.
He might be asleep. He stayed up all night last night. That's the reason, guys, that's the reason he's not here. He pulled an all-nighter working on cars last night, so that's the reason he's not here right now. Or he would be here. But yeah, I imagine he's gonna be ecstatic because he was hoping just for 6.4s.
Right.
But yeah, 6.3s. Now you can imagine that thing in negative DA.
It's good.
That'd be like
Negative DA.
6.2, 6.0.
Yeah,
Goosebumps, man.
yeah. It's crazy.
Race red is the fastest color.
There you go.
That's why it's fast. It's got a red supercharger on it.
All right, guys. So we are about to make a pass. The last pass of the night. Felt like a good pass. I'm thinking 740. So 746 at 95 with a 1.660. There's my first pass, 159 60 foot with a 727 at 96 mile an hour. And then I let the car cool off for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, if that, because we wanted to get another run in with the car. All right, guys, so it was a good night out. We both got our personal best. We got a 633 in his car, and we got a 727 in this car. A 1.560, ran 720s, and I'm very happy with that. Now it's time. We're gonna get the clutch in. We're gonna get some cooling mods. We're gonna get the heat exchanger on it. And then we're gonna get everything ready for the blower, and the blower is coming very soon, guys. But when I get everything else done, when I get the clutch done, I get the heat exchanger done and everything like that, we'll come out for one more night to see if we can improve on it any, and then it's time for the blower. And so I'm excited for that. I'm wanting the horsepower. But this car right here, 633, guys, that is crazy. It's crazy. And then the last one he did you know, it did spin the tires, but you know, it is what it is.
Terrible burnout.
So yeah, you didn't get a great burnout. It is what it is. Yeah. It's not a big deal. You ran a 650 in it, and then the car went a 633, and so you got to be extremely.
Yeah, I'm beyond happy.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't even. From a 7, what did it run last time? 7.1, 7.0, 7.1.
Yeah.
Last time here.
Yeah.
A couple weeks ago.
Yeah, 630s.
2 weeks ago at the same track. 2 weeks later.
7/10 faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All from a tune.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
It's not even a crazy tune. It's modest, conservative timing, and left the torque management in. We didn't even disable torque.
Yeah, I mean, and I could tell it. I could tell the torque when it shifted. I could tell the torque management was there. But you know what? You're not gonna tear up a transmission. The car's gonna run good, and you know you're gonna have a lot of fun in it.
Yeah.
Wengerd Performance tuned this car. Daryl from Wengerd Performance tuned this car, and I think he did an excellent job. He knocked another one out of the park. He always does a great job, and this is just another one of those that, you know, came out really good. All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here. The track is closing, and we're gonna get out of here. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.